fake star with the way.
Rodney, man, what you doing, brother? You washing your own dishes, man?
Yeah, every now and then I wash my own dishes, you know. I don't like to wash my own dishes, but I don't mind getting down and dirty. I don't mind getting in the field, you know what I mean?
I know that.
Normally I got a maid comes in here and knocks them out, but you know, I don't have no living maid, so I gotta keep myself clean and my dishes clean, you know. Especially during these COVID times, you want to stay as clean as possible.
Yeah.
So, you know, every now and then I'll leave a mess in here, but I can't stand it. I can't stand to see a mess in my kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
You know, remember, that's what people eat at, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So, yeah, I don't have a problem with that. You know, every now and then I get these pretty hands, you know, dirty and wet. You want to know what my pet peeves are about me? One of my faults.
What's that?
That I have. And you know what? This is kind of hard to even put on camera because it's one of my faults that maybe most people don't even recognize. Is that I have an issue with me conversing to people or conversing on video because I hate the way I sound sometimes. Because I know I stutter, but this motherfucker over here break something.
Oh, Lord.
Anyway, I mean, so sometimes I speak too fast, or I may stutter, or sometimes I run my words into each other, things like that. So I gotta be very cognizant.
Cognitive?
Cognitive.
Yeah,
something like
yeah,
that.
I know what you're talking about.
That word.
Yeah.
And when I'm speaking. Because sometimes I'll run the video back after I just did this great video and run it back and they were like, oh man, I ran all these words together, I was stuttering. Because, you know, when I was younger, I think so fast and my mouth does not actually spit the words out as fast as I'm thinking it. Mm-hmm. And so that's one of my issues I may have that I always try to work on. And I gotta work on it even as I'm speaking right now.
Right.
I mean, I'm really, you know, putting my thoughts, you know, to make it come out clear. So I'll have to redo this damn video again.
Yeah.
There's been times where I've seen people comment on some of my videos and everybody will love the content. And one asshole in there, I can't stand you mumbling. What, you know, and I get it. You know what I mean? I get it because sometimes I hear it too as well. And some of you may even hear it in this actual content right here. However, the most important thing to do, I don't care, even if you do mumble or if you do stutter, get out there and do it. You want to get the content out there. You want to beat the next man or beat the next woman with having content-rich material. The same reason why I have you here working with me. The same reason why this guy right here, Rashid, is here. Because he wants video content. Now this guy was over here a few minutes ago playing with that damn ball about to mess up my shit. Mess up my house. But I love the shirt, fire your boss.
Yes, sir. Financial freedom.
The only thing he needs now is to have his name on there.
So Ronnie, where we on our way to right now, man?
Right now we are on the way to Wagyu. We're gonna go get some groceries because today we're gonna be cooking with Bitcoin Rodney. Some Wagyu and doing some great tips for the audience out there to learn more on how to be more successful.
I know that's right.
Indeed. You know, today we're not driving the Lambo. We're taking the truck.
Taking the big boy today.
Taking the big boy today. We got Bitcoin Beauty here. She's one of the top USA persons I got on my team doing big things. And quote unquote, you coming up soon, somebody just hit 1 million in volume on my team. Coming soon. Wow. But today she's hanging out with us today, giving you guys some great tips on how to make money in the crypto industry. Tell everybody what you've done so far.
Close to 1 million in sales in 5 weeks, and I'm excited about it because all I had to do was follow in the lead of Bitcoin Rodney, and he has been amazing with the team. Just all you do is plug and play. And what I love about all of this is that if you've been in the industry where you've had to sell something before, I love this industry because I don't have to sell anything. All I'm doing right now with this amazing platform is helping people multiply their money. So instead of me having you buy something from me, you just multiply your money. Thank you.
Putting on the gear right now. Cooking gear. Yeah, I know Dallas right now some shit. I get it. But that's all right. I'm still gonna cook in it. This is my favorite gear to cook it in. Today we're gonna cook Wagyu with beer and wine. Oh, here's the beer over here. It is at the end still light green on this pocket right here. You like that, right? Yo.
Oh shit.
Yo, I even got the joint here. Pop it over right there, pop.
Yeah.
Watch it.
He ain't playing.
This don't smooth, right?
Yeah. Get his two stuff on. That happy cooking right there.
So look, we got a 1 pound 11 ounce Wagyu A7 steak. So it's around $40 to $50 an ounce. A pound 11. I don't even know. I can't do this math on that.
It's just a lot.
Like $1,500 one steak. I don't even call this steak. This is butter. We're cooking butter today. We're gonna fry butter.
Cooking butter today, man.
We're gonna fry butter. Steak butter. we're gonna have this and let's see. We're gonna have crab cakes. Right here, signature crab cakes. We'll see it later. We'll see it better in a minute. Hold on. Look at this. Check this out. Wow, look at that. Fresh crab cakes. Not from scratch, but good enough. And for the green, I'll have a little bit of asparagus tips or something like that for the green part. And we're gonna make it all from scratch. And then while we're doing this, these guys who are behind me will be able to ask me all types of great marketing tips and life tips and business tips and success tips. And I'll be answering all kind of great things to help you guys with success during this whole thingamajigger. See you on the next episode. Adobo, Goya. No home should not have it. Everybody in every home should have this.
I agree.
Especially in black homes, right? Now we're gonna put on some lemon pepper. Lemon pepper is always very good. The zesty lemon pepper, seasoning salt for your crab cakes, very, very good. Now I'm no real cook, you know what I mean? I'm no chef, but you know, my grandmother, mother, great cooks. I learned from them. And now we need something red on here. Always gotta have something red on your crab cakes. Let's go see what we can find in here. Let's see. We got something. The good old Creole seasoning. None better than Tony's. I can't even pronounce it. Bold Creole seasoning with an extra kick. You have to put that on there. There we go. Cooking with Bitcoin Rodney. All right, guys. So now this is about done. We're gonna baste these in butter.
Oh my god.
We cook them in butter. I mean, some expensive ass butter too. Butter has been whipped 1,000,000 times.
That's
not
different.
Really, something like that. Boy, if you don't. Let's cut up in this Wagyu. So the Wagyu, you gotta use very expensive knives to even cook Wagyu. This thing right here, I mean, you can be homeless and you have one of these and you have it going on. So today what we're gonna do, we're going to reverse sear cook this Wagyu. Reverse sear it. This is Wagyu, guys. This is some of the best eating on the entire planet. I suggest you guys all go Google A7 Wagyu. A7 Wagyu. This right here, guys, take a girl out, buy her some Wagyu, game over. That's it. That's all you need. If you can afford it, get her some Wagyu. Game over.
Motherfucker's heavy. He probably got tripped over a rock.
That's in the real.
Yeah.
You know, you gotta be very careful when you're cooking Wagyu. Because right now what it's doing is melting in the bag. Because it's so rich. It's so rich. Look at this marbling. Look at this.
I've never seen nothing like it.
Comes in its own packaging.
That's wild. Like the steak is almost literally white.
And it's melting right now as we speak. It's melting as we speak. You gotta hurry and get this thing hot. Board. Long crab cakes. And we get this expensive butter out. We'll use some of this butter boy butter. Look at that butter right there. $7 for a little ass piece of butter. Only 100 calories from France. Made with sea salt.
That look like a piece of cheesecake.
Dude, that's probably what I seen. Did you get it from Wegmans?
Yeah, Wegmans, yeah.
Yeah, I thought because I seen it earlier.
Most people season the steak. And when you do Wagyu, you really don't need a lot of seasoning at all on your Wagyu. It holds already some of the most best flavors. And even though you seem like a lot of fat inside of it, it's very healthy fat. So if you're gonna eat, beef, make sure you try to eat the best of beef as humanly possible. Alright? So, I like thyme. I like thyme. I love thyme in all my food. That's it. Love thyme. I like a little bit of kosher salt. Kosher is very good. Just a little bit of kosher. Some rosemary. Organic rosemary. Most of the times when you see me cooking, I love using organic different spices because they're just good for you. So we put a little rosemary in here.
That look good enough to eat right there.
I know, doesn't it?
Top of that thing.
Oh, see, and we're going to be basting a lot of the butter and all these seasonings on top of the actual Wagyu. Look at that. Now guys, this is A7 Wagyu. Go Google A7 Wagyu. And when you come back to me, you'll be in love with it, I guarantee you. You know, this animal, this cow, is actually massaged from birth. It is fed beer, it is fed wine, the best grains. It has its own coat, it's given a name. I mean, this animal has never seen a day of stress in its life. It lives a better life than most of you.
The butter not burning. You know, some butter burns into the pot.
So Wagyu, okay, both of y'all had it. I think this might even be a dumb question. You know how they say no question is a dumb question. This might,
right now,
this about to be a dumb one. Is it really like that? I mean,
Get out. So let me tell you something.
Get out.
So let me tell you what's gonna happen. When you get ready to taste your piece, we're gonna film you.
yeah, we got to.
We're gonna film you, and you'll see the reaction on your face.
Yup.
It's gonna be. Let me tell you something, bro. I want to put this. I want to say something sexually explicit, but I'm not gonna say it.
Right. But it's like that.
It's like that. For those of you who do not know, Google this, what this is. This is not average. This is above average shit. I guarantee it.
Wagyu A7. That's about $1,000 right there.
If not more.
If not more.
So let me tell you something. You open this thing up. Oh, look how easy that was.
Y'all see that?
You gotta look at what I gotta do. Watch this thing. Hold on a second. I gotta do this.
Uh-oh. Let that motherfucker battle.
Hey, now it's official.
There we go, baby.
Now it's official. We ain't playing.
Piece of Wagyu. Turn face the camera.
So, yo, I'm about to try my first piece of Wagyu.
Don't even seem real, does it?
Yo,
Like, ain't no more left.
it disappears.
Yes!
It melts in your mouth like butter.
It's gone.
Yo, that's wild, guys. Like, Yo, the flavor is so flavorful. Like, and I'm not even trying to cap for y'all. I'm trying to be 100% real. It's really how they said it was.
It melts.
Like I'm about to go extra hard just so I can have some Wagyu in the freezer on top, man.
I told you.
Bro, shout out to him, man. He seasoned the hell out of that.
100.
It's perfect.
I don't think I'm gonna be eating this good.
Go ahead, get your beat. Oh my
Thank you,
God.
man. Yo, I appreciate this, bro.
Is that amazing? Is that amazing or what?
That's wild, yo.
This to top it off. I like a little adobe. That look good. That is cooked in butter, French butter, homemade 100% Maryland lump crab cake, right there, baby.
Yeah, it's go time, man.
It's go time with Bitcoin Rodney. Man.
It's
Cooking
go
with Bitcoin
time.
Rodney.
Yes, sir.
And let me say this again. I'm not a perfection, excellent chef, but at least I act like one.
Look, and if you guys like this content, you know, make sure you give us a thumbs up and then subscribe.
Tell me, drop some comments.
Yeah.
Hit that little bell beside, you know, bing. Every time I drop a new video, you guys can hear it, see it, the whole 9 yards.
Yes,
just
sir.
having a little fun here, guys. Trying to give you guys some great content about marketing, life, success, finance, cooking. Just an enjoyable time. Give it your boy, Bitcoin Rodney. See you in the next video. Peace.